Hi there, future doctors. Welcome to another insightful tutorial. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, examination under the microscope. This is an essential skill for any aspiring neurologist or healthcare professional dealing with neurological conditions. It's a crucial skill for diagnosing various neurological conditions, so let's get started. Understanding the intricacies of CSF examination can significantly enhance your diagnostic capabilities. First things first, if your CSF sample doesn't contain numerous cells, that's less than 200 per microliter, you'll need to centrifuge 2 to 4 milliliters of CSF. This step is vital to ensure that you have a concentrated sample for accurate analysis. Use a conical test tube and ideally, spin it at a slow speed for about 5 to 10 minutes. The slow speed helps to gently separate the cells without causing damage. This process helps to concentrate any cells present in the sample, making it easier to identify and analyze them under the microscope. Once you've centrifuged the CSF, save most of the supernatant. That's the liquid above the sediment, in a clean test tube for chemical analysis. This supernatant can provide valuable information about the biochemical properties of the CSF. Now take the sediment and resuspend it in a drop of the remaining CSF. This step ensures that the cells are evenly distributed for smear preparation. Next, prepare at least 3 smears on glass slides. Each smear will be used for different staining techniques to reveal various components of the CSF. Allow these slides to air dry thoroughly. Proper drying is crucial to ensure that the stains adhere correctly to the cells. Each smear will be stained differently to reveal various components of the CSF. This multi-staining approach provides a comprehensive view of the sample. First up, stain 1 smear with Leishman stain. This stain is excellent for identifying the types of white blood cells present in your sample, which can indicate infections or inflammatory conditions. This stain is excellent for identifying the types of white blood cells present in your sample. It helps in differentiating between various types of cells, providing insights into the patient's condition. Next, use the Gram method on the second smear. This will help you detect the presence and type of bacteria. It's a vital step in diagnosing bacterial meningitis, which requires prompt and accurate identification. This will help you detect the presence and type of bacteria. It's a vital step in diagnosing bacterial meningitis. Identifying the specific bacteria can guide appropriate treatment options. For the third smear, apply the Ziehl-Neelsen method. This staining technique is used to identify acid-fast bacilli, which is crucial for diagnosing tuberculosis. Tuberculosis in the CSF can be life-threatening, so accurate detection is essential. This staining technique is used to identify acid-fast bacilli, which is crucial for diagnosing tuberculosis. The Ziehl-Neelsen stain highlights these bacteria, making them easier to spot under the microscope. Sometimes, special preparations are required. If you suspect Cryptococcus, you can perform an India ink preparation or Naegleria staining. These stains help in visualizing the capsule of Cryptococcus, aiding in its identification. If you suspect Cryptococcus, you can perform an India ink preparation or Naegleria staining. These methods are particularly useful for identifying fungal infections in the CSF. For Trypanosomes and Naegleria species, a direct wet preparation might be necessary. These parasites can cause severe neurological diseases, so their detection is critical. Remember, attention to detail is key. Each step is crucial for an accurate diagnosis, so take your time and follow the protocols meticulously. Precision in each step ensures reliable results. Each step is crucial for an accurate diagnosis, so take your time and follow the protocols meticulously. Your diligence can make a significant difference in patient outcomes. That's a wrap on the basics of CSF microscopic examination. With these foundational skills, you are well on your way to becoming proficient in this essential diagnostic technique. With practice, you'll master these techniques and be well on your way to becoming proficient in diagnosing neurological conditions. Consistent practice and attention to detail will enhance your proficiency. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more medical tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Your journey in medicine is just beginning, and there's always more to discover.